Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear educarians. I hope you all are doing well and taking good care of yourself. From the Educators Online Support System, I am your science teacher, and today I am here to deliver the final term lesson number 5, and today our topic is chapter number 12. So the material required for this lesson is lead pencil, highlighter, ruler, blue pen, blue pointer, along with your science book, your science notebook, and also need a winter pack that has been provided by the educators. So dear students, the unit number 5 physical science and the chapter number 12 light, reflection, mirrors and lenses. And in this chapter we will discuss today plane mirror, spherical mirror, real and virtual images, and also the uses of mirrors in our daily life. Learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to describe plane mirror and its properties, describe spherical mirror and its types, and also the uses of concave and convex mirror. So dear students, now open your science book and come to page number 125, and here you will see the topic, the plane mirror. So firstly, all of you write down today's task, date and day on this page. So now move on to the topic. So dear students, anything kept in front of a plane mirror is known as an object. मीन्स कि कोई भी चीज जो कि प्लेन मिरर के बिल्कुल सामने हो उसे हम उसका ऑब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. एंड द व्यू ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट formed by a reflection inside the plane mirror is called the image of the object. और मीन्स कि वो चीज कि जो हमें मिरर के अंदर नजर आती है उसे हम इमेज कहते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट का. Like for example, if a flower pot is kept in front of a plane mirror, then its view behind the mirror is called the image of the flower pot, and the flower pot laying in front of the plane mirror is called an object. Like आप यहाँ पिक्चर में भी देख सकते हैं, a child looking at its own image in mirror. मीन्स कि अगर आप मिरर के सामने खड़े हैं तो आप अपने आप को जब मिरर में देखते हैं तो वो आपका इमेज है, और आप खुद जो मिरर के सामने खड़े होते हैं, यू आर द ऑब्जेक्ट. So dear students, now open your page number 126. Thus the image formed by a plane mirror has these properties. अब हम प्लेन मिरर की प्रॉपर्टीज को डिस्कस करते हैं वन बाय वन. सो द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज a plane mirror forms a virtual image of the object. मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स virtual image क्या होता है? मीन्स कि virtual image वो image होता है जिसको आप स्क्रीन पर नहीं देख सकते हैं, which is not taken on a screen. So plane mirror virtual image को प्रोड्यूस करता है. Second point, the size of an image is always the same as that of the object. मीन्स कि जैसा ऑब्जेक्ट मिरर के सामने होगा उसका इमेज भी उसी तरह का ही बनता है. Third one, an image is always upright like the object. An upright image is called an erect image. The fourth one is, an image is always as far inside the mirror as the object laying in front of it. कि इमेज जो है वो हमेशा फार बनता है मिरर के, जैसे ही आप जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है मिरर के सामने वो उसके फ्रंट पर आता जाता है. And the last property is, whatever is on the left side of the object appears on the right of the image and vice versa. मीन्स कि कोई भी चीज जो कि आपकी राइट साइड होती है ऑब्जेक्ट की, जब उसका इमेज हम देखते हैं मिरर के अंदर तो वो लेफ्ट नजर आता है, और ऑब्जेक्ट का जो लेफ्ट होगा वो हमें मिरर में राइट नजर आता है. Okay, now students, open your page number 127, and now we will do the objective of this page. And the statement is, state whether the following sentences are true or false. So the first one is, a plane mirror is a transparent glass. This one is false. A plane mirror produces an inverted image. Yes, this one is false. A plane mirror can produce a real image. This one is also false. A plane mirror produces an image by reflecting light. Yes, this one is true. On a page number 127, the question number 2 is fill in the blanks. Anything kept in front of a plane mirror in scientific term is considered as an object. Water surfaces of the ponds and lakes are like plane mirrors laying horizontally on the earth's surface. Virtual image means an image that can't be taken on a screen. Head of an object and its image are in the same direction if the image is erect. Okay, now students, open your page number 127 and now we will discuss the types of spherical mirrors. So dear students, there are two types of spherical mirrors, convex mirror and concave mirror. A mirror whose reflecting surface curves outward is called a convex mirror. Like आप इसको डायग्राम में भी देख सकते हैं कि कन्वेक्स मिरर वो मिरर होता है जिसकी आउटर सरफेस शाइनी होती है और इनर सरफेस उसकी रफ हो, मीन्स ये आउटवर्ड होते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दैट दीज आर द कन्वेक्स मिरर. Concave mirror, a mirror whose reflecting surface curves inward is called a concave mirror. Like आप इसको डायग्राम में देखें कि कनकेव मिरर की जो आउटर सरफेस होती है वो रफ होती है और जो इनर होती है वो शाइनी होती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई हम कह सकते हैं कि जो इनर साइडेड हो उसे हम कनकेव कहते हैं और जो आउटवर्ड हो उन्हें हम कन्वेक्स मिरर कहते हैं. So dear students, now open your page number 128 and here the topic is real and virtual image. So dear students, we have seen that the image formed by a plane mirror can't be taken on a screen and it is thus called a virtual image. And however, an image that can be taken or made to appear on a screen is called a real image. Means कि हम इस बारे में already discuss कर चुके हैं कि वो image that can be taken on a screen कि जो स्क्रीन पर नज़र हमें आ सकता है उसे हम real image कहते हैं. And that image which cannot be taken on a screen, that image is called a virtual image. So dear students, now open your page number 129 and now we will discuss the uses of mirrors. And हम जानते हैं इस बारे में कि मिरर दो तरह के होते हैं, कनकेव एंड कन्वेक्स. तो पहले हम कनकेव मिरर के यूजेस को डिस्कस करते हैं. So the first point is a dentist uses a concave mirror to see the magnified image of teeth. Second one, doctor use concave mirrors to examine the ears, nose and throat. Third one is people use concave mirrors to shave and apply makeup. Fourth one is reflectors in flashlights, torches and searchlights are concave mirrors. And the last one is headlights of car are concave mirrors. Now move on to the uses of convex mirror. The first one is a convex mirror are used as rear view mirrors in vehicles. Second one, convex mirror are also used as reflectors in street lights. Third one, they are used as safety mirrors in stores and malls. And the last one is they are used in modern railway stations. So dear all the students, highlight these all the points on your page number 129. Okay, now move on to the page number 130 and now we will do the objective of this page and the caption is fill in the blanks. A spoon has a shiny and a curved surface. Spherical mirrors have curved shiny surface. A convex mirror forms a smaller image of the object. A dentist uses a concave mirror and the last one is dish TV antenna have concave shape. So dear students, now open your winter pack and now we will do the internal question answers of chapter number 12 and here are the question answers of page number 125. Question number 2 is can light pass through a pipe bent at a right angle? Yes students, answer is no, light can't pass through a pipe bent at a right angle. कि जो बेंडिंग फॉर्म में आपका पाइप होगा आप वहां से लाइट के राइट एंगल को नहीं देख सकते हैं because light travel in a straight line. Question number 3 is give 3 examples of rectilinear propagation of light. 3 examples of rectilinear propagation of light are as light coming from the sun, second one laser light, and the third one torch light. Okay, now question number 4 is name 3 surfaces that can reflect light falling on them. मीन्स कि यहाँ पर हम 3 ऐसी सर्फेसिस के नाम डिस्कस करेंगे कि जिन पर जब लाइट फॉल डाउन होती है तो वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती है. सो द आंसर इज मिरर, वाटर एंड पॉलिश मेटालिक प्लेट्स. Now we will do the question answers of page number 127. What is the relation between the size of an object and that of an image formed by a plane mirror? If size of object is large, its image in a plane mirror will also be larger. मीन्स कि जो साइज ऑब्जेक्ट का होता है वही प्लेन मिरर में हमें उसका इमेज नजर आता है. एंड हाउएवर विद इंक्रीज इन डिस्टेंस, बट जैसे जैसे आप अपना प्लेन मिरर से डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे देन स्मॉलर इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड. तो आपका इमेज छोटा होता जाएगा देन द एक्चुअल इमेज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डू द इमेजेस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लेटर्स वुड बी अपीयर इन अ प्लेन मिरर? सो द आंसर इज टोटली द ऑपोजिट. M, V, X, H, A, O, I, U, Y, T, W. Now we will do the question answers of page number 130. Which mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles? So the answer is convex mirrors are used as rear view mirror in vehicles. Now the next question is Hina found a mirror that always forms a virtual, erect and diminished image of an object. What type of a mirror is it? Convex mirror forms virtual, erect and diminished images. Now the question number 4 is a boil is divided into 2 halves. Identify the surfaces in each half. अगर हम एक बॉयल एग को हाफ में डिवाइड करके उसके दोनों हाफ्स को देखते हैं तो हमें उससे क्या आइडिया मिलता है? So dear students, convex mirror या concave surface will appear inside each half of boil egg while the outer surface will be the convex. means कि उसका जो inner side होगा उसे हम concave कहेंगे और जो उसकी outer surface होगी उसे हम convex surface कहेंगे. Okay, now we will do the question answers of page number 132 and here the question is name the lens that can't form a real image of the object. Concave lens can't form a real image of an object. ये already हम reading में discuss कर चुके हैं. Next question is list 2 uses of each type of spherical lenses. हम already discuss कर चुके हैं कि spherical lenses 2 types के होते हैं, convex lens और concave lens. अब हम उसके uses discuss करते हैं. सबसे पहले है जी convex lens. Convex lenses are used to treat long sightedness. मतलब जिनकी दूर की नज़र कमज़ोर होती है उनके जो ग्लासेस होते हैं उनमें convex lenses यूज किए जाते हैं. Convex lenses are also used in watches to show the digits in a magnified manner. और convex lens watches में भी यूज किए जाते हैं ताकि उसके अंदर जो digit mention है वो मैग्नीफाई होकर हमें क्लियर नजर आ सकें. Next is concave lenses. Concave lenses are used to treat short sightedness. ये नजदीक की आई साइट जिनकी वीक होती है उनके ग्लासेस में यूज किए जाते हैं. And they are also used in projectors to divert the incidence rays. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेम 2 टाइप्स ऑफ स्फेरिकल लेंसेज. ये भी हमने डिस्कस किया है कि स्फेरिकल लेंसेज कितनी टाइप्स के हैं? 2 टाइप्स के, concave lens and convex lens. Now we will do the question answers of page number 133. What is the color of sunlight? Light coming from the sun appears white to our naked eye. कि जो सन की लाइट होती है वो हमें अपनी नेकेड आई से, जो हमारी आईज हैं, हमें उसमें तो वाइट नजर आती है. सनलाइट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 7 कलर्स, बट हम इस चीज के बारे में अब आगे पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट लेसन में कि सनलाइट वाइट होती है लेकिन उस वाइट लाइट में 7 कलर्स होते हैं. इसलिए हम कहते हैं कि जो सनलाइट है वो 7 कलर्स पर कंसिस्ट करती है. नेक्स्ट इज नेम द कलर्स प्रेजेंट इन अ रेनबो. अब रेनबो में जो कलर्स होते हैं अब हम उन्हें सीक्वेंस वाइज रीड आउट करते हैं. वॉयलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज एंड रेड. And what word is used to remember the order of colors in a white light spectrum? अब वो कौन सा एक हिंटिंग वर्ड है कि जिसको अगर हम याद कर लें तो हम रेनबो के कलर्स को सीक्वेंस में राइट कर सकते हैं. एंड दैट वर्ड इज वेबगोयर. So dear students, now it's time for your notebook work. So get ready for your today's task. Okay, now students, write today's task, date and day on this page. Then write the topic. Then write the caption. And after that, write the question number 1 is, can light pass through a pipe bent at a right angle? After that, write its answer. Then write the question number 2. Give 3 examples of rectilinear propagation of light. After that, write your answer. Then write the question number 3. Name 3 surfaces that can reflect light falling on them. Then write its answer. Okay, now students, write the caption, page number 127. Then write the question number 4. What is the relation between the size of an object and that of an image formed by a plane mirror? Then write your answer. After that, write the question number 5. How do the images of the following letters would be appear in a plane mirror? Then write it answer. Okay, then write the caption, page number 130, and write the question number 6. Which mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles? Then write it answer. After that, write the question number 7. Hina found a mirror that always forms a virtual erect and diminished image of an object. What type of a mirror is it? Then write it answer. Then write the question number 8. A boiled egg is divided into 2 halves. Identify the surfaces in each half. Then write it answer. Now write the caption, page number 132. And here the question number 9 is, name the lens that can't form a real image of the object. Then write it answer. Then write the question number 10. List 2 uses of each type of spherical lenses. After that, write its answer. After that, write the question number 11. Name 2 types of spherical lenses. Then write your answer. Then write the caption, page number 133. And here the question number 12 is, what is the color of sunlight? Then write your answer. Then write the question number 13 and name the colors present in rainbow. After that, write it answer. Then write the last question, question number 14. What word is used to remember the order of colors in a white light spectrum? After that, write its answer. So dear all the students, write down these all the questions on your science notebook with neat handwriting. So dear students, now it's time for your today's task, and in this task what you have to do? So firstly, learn all the highlighted points of page number 125 till 130. Do objective of page number 127 and 130, and also learn and write internal questions 1 till 14 on your notebook. So dear students, I hope today's lesson was helpful for you and you all have understood all the points carefully. So take care of yourself. See you soon inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.